see anything that's, to coin a phrase, stuffed and mounted. We want to see it out on the running line.
Now this project behind us here fascinates me too, because you are reconstructing an original station, aren't you?
That's right. There's two things about this station. The station has been dismantled from Whitwell in the northeast corner of Derbyshire, and we brought it down here stone by stone, and we're now in the process of re-erecting it. And then for a second thing, the actual layout of the station is identical to the one that used to stand here originally. So we've effectively got a replica, but we've also got an original station.
Now, as they did with London Bridge, have you in fact reconstructed it exactly in the right places? How have you done that?
Well, we've got it all together again, but we've only actually marked the special stones, the window stones, such as we see down here, and those that are on the corner of the building. The ones in between, we've just put them in as they fit.